Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the regular Ipsy Glambag for the month of January. This is what the bag looks like this month. It's very cute. It looks very similar to the bags that we got in the Glambag Plus and Glambag Ultimate. I really like this marble design. Okay, here's the card. I will look at that later. The first thing in here we have from Cella. It has like a accent over the E. That's CELA by Celine Tadrisi. And this is Sea to Skin Scrub Natural Grain Polish. Is it an exfoliant? Is it for your face? It is for your face. Okay, it says apply to wet skin in circular motions, buffing away dryness. Rinse thoroughly. Use once or twice a week to reveal brighter, glowing skin. The thing I have in here is from Morphe. It is their full coverage concealer in the shade C1.25. This was my pick for the month. That's what it looks like. Looks like it is about a good shade. I hope it's not too neutral because I'm fairly cool toned. Yeah, a very nice shade for me. I have from Ciate London. It is the Glow 2 Illuminating Blush. Okay, that's what it looks like. And then we open it up. Oh, that's very cute. Like sheer, like kind of just like a glow. Like I have been really into glowy cheeks here lately, so I think I would like that as like a blush topper to give my cheeks a glow to them. Next, I have from Urban Juve Ultra Hydrating Lip Balm. I have gotten so many lip balms here lately from Ipsy, like just Ipsy. I don't know how I got on like the lip balm of the month club here. Weird. Made in Canada. What is in this? Coconut oil, castor seed oil, hemp seed oil, menthol. It must be like the hemp in the castor oil because it smells earthy. I need to go and review my stuff and say, okay, done with chapstick. I got plenty. And the last thing in here is from Brooke USA. All right. It says Beauty for Real on the back. Lip product. Oh, that's really pretty. It's pretty sheer. I give it more of like almost like a liquid, like a lipstick gloss type look. Let's see. It smells good. It did anything. Maybe just made it a little bit more shiny, but I have to try it without any lip products on. Wait. I got 2 lip products. One's a lip balm and one's like this lipstick thing. So, it says clean slate on here. The first thing, the chapstick, I've already lost it. No, here it is. It says that it is full. This is the full size, and it is $10, if I'm reading this correct. That's $10 for one chapstick. Then this concealer, it is the full size and it is a $9 value. Pretty good. In case I like it, I'll be able to afford it. This, the Beauty for Real Lip Revival Tinted Lip Balm. So technically I got 2 lip balms, but this one's tinted. I like this one better, I think. I mean, I haven't tried the other one on my lips, but, oh, this is Debbie. I forgot to tell you the shade. Size value is $14. Oh, it says swipe balm onto bare lips or over lipstick for a glossy effect. I didn't even read that and I knew it. Good. Sample. Deluxe. But the full size version of this product is $34. And the Ciate London Illuminating Blush. Oh, illuminating blush. I missed that illuminating part. The full size value of this is $26. Overall, I think I'll end up using most of these products. Yes, I'm going to use the chapstick, but I think in my Glambag Plus or Glambag Ultimate for December, I'd have to go back and look. I got 2 chapsticks out of that. And then I feel like I've gotten another one here recently. So it'd be nice to just get something different than chapstick because it takes a long time to go through a chapstick. Like forever. At least it does for me. But overall, I really enjoyed this this bag. I'm anxious to try the Morphe concealer. I have a couple Morphe things, but I think I've gotten them through Ipsy. But I haven't really tried the brand too much, so I'm excited to try different things from Morphe. So have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!